Hey everyone, it's Richard, CEO and founder of altFINS here. In this video, I will discuss the technical analysis of Dogecoin right now. So let's go on the technical analysis section where we have analyses of about 50 top coins. Here on the first one actually is Dogecoin. Let's take a look. So remember, after Elon Musk bought Twitter, he implied that he was going to use Dogecoin as a means of paying for tweets and other ways of incorporating or integrating Dogecoin into Twitter. So that was a big run up in the price, and then of course the selling ensued. But notice that it found support a couple of times at 7.5 cents. When it pulled back, it bounced back up, and also it coincides with the 200-day moving average, which oftentimes is also an area of support or resistance, depending on from which direction the price is approaching it. Right now, again, it bounced off of the 7.5 cents the second time. It ran up but made a lower high, and now it's coming back to that same level of 7.5 cents, getting very close now. And that support level is, again, lines up with the 200-day moving average, which makes it even a more robust support level. And notice that, how do you find support levels, resistance levels, where it's where the price makes a turning point, at least 2 or 3 times in the past. Well, as you can see, 7.5 cents in the past was a pretty consistent resistance level, and once broken, resistance level becomes support level. And in fact, it did on a couple occasions recently. Held up as a support level, so there's a good chance that it will hold up again this time around. And again, the concept whereby support prior resistance zone once broken becomes a support zone, that concept is a very key pillar to the technical analysis overall, and it's also called polarity. But the point is that as the price approaches 7.5 cents, I think this could be, in my opinion, this is not financial advice, but in my opinion, it could be an interesting swing entry for a bounce back up. Overall, the trend is mixed. Long term, it's still in an uptrend. On the short term and the medium term, it's down or neutral. So it's clearly consolidating after making huge gains. A lot of traders obviously made some decent money. And there's some selling pressures every time it bounces up. But again, on the swing here around the 200-day moving average and 7.5 cent support zone, it could be interesting. Also, we'll watch the relative strength index and the other very helpful momentum indicator MACD. As the MACD histogram, the blue bars begin to turn, that could be an indication that the price is finding some support around the 7.5 cents. So we may be another day or two away from that, but keep an eye on it. Maybe even set up an alert. It's very easy to set up an alert on our platform. You can go under alerts here and say, I already have a couple of them here. In fact, these are old ones. Let's get rid of these. And say last price is above. I want to be notified when it gets not above but below, call it 7, not quite 7.5 but 7.7 cents, and that way I will be alerted via email as well as a notification on the platform, and then I can determine whether this is a good time to enter the trade for an upswing. I hope this is helpful. I think that the technical analyses here that we do and prepare for you are great building blocks for your strategies. It's a great starting point and also a learning tool for the beginner traders because it teaches and uses 5 key elements of technical analysis that you should be using in your own analysis as well. Good luck trading.